Hi everyone, Asang Filipina here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm driving around in the mountain and I have wear some flip-flops. So now I have my anklet here and two rings. So this one, and I still have the same toner polish today. So I'm just gonna stretch my legs, relax for the meantime. And I think I will drink some tea. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel membership, you can subscribe. I'm going to upload more driving videos this time and fit video in my level 2, some photos in my level 1, and also videos. Then if you do subscribe, if you join the membership in the Patreon from 75, you can driving videos there. You can access all the channel tiers, tiers, tiers. But you can access from the lower tiers, like from the photos and short video of my feet. So crushing. So you can also do there, and I'm going to make more videos. So I think I will separate with the sexy outfit. I'm gonna show you my garden. This is my garden. So everyone, that's all, and I'm going to make some dangling videos, short videos for you guys.